While some states do not have specific legislative statutes that govern the operation of homeowner associations, a number of states do have detailed and lengthy statutes. If your association is located within a state that does not have related statutes, you would then refer to your association's governing documents. There are generally 4 specific association governing documents: Declaration of Covenants, Conditions, and Restrictions, otherwise referred to as CC&Rs, or sometimes referred to as a master deed; bylaws, articles of incorporation, rules and regulations. Whichever state statute your association falls under, if any, can generally be determined by reviewing the first several pages of your specific association's declaration of CC&Rs. These are also on file at your county's Register of Deeds. Your association's articles of incorporation may or may not be required to be on file with a local or state authority. Bylaws many times will be filed as an appendix to the CC&Rs and could be on file with the Register of Deeds. A rule of thumb is that the CC&Rs or declaration tell the association member what can and cannot be done within the association and who is responsible for what. An example may be if the association members could have a fence and what type of fence it can be. A rule of thumb for bylaws is that they outline how the association is to be operated. For example, you could review the bylaws to see when the annual meeting is to be held, or the listed responsibility of the directors. Most all states have a Nonprofit Corporation Act or statutes that address nonprofit corporations. These state statutes regulate how nonprofit corporations are to be administered. All associations are nonprofit corporations and generally reference this act. For example, if your individual association's bylaws did not address a specific proxy issue, the Nonprofit Corporation Act would be the first point of reference to resolve that issue. Whether under control of the original developer or the direct membership, the Board of Directors is in charge of an association. The Board of Directors is elected at the association's annual meeting. Depending on the governing documents, board members' terms can all be for 1-year terms or multiple years. Many homeowner associations hire and retain property management companies. The property management company works for the association at the direction of the Board of Directors. For specifics about the operation of the association's Board of Directors, the bylaws are the first place to review, along with the Declaration of Covenants, Conditions, and Restrictions. The bylaws will generally dictate board member duties and responsibilities.